Morning guys! Hello, this is Rolly Shares. I'm Rolly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing my skincare routine. So let's get started. For face wash, I use Origins Checks and Balances face wash. It looks like this. I like how it cleans my face well at the same time without leaving it dry after using it. For skincare, I like to start with some essence water. I use Estee Lauder treatment lotion with sakura ferment. It looks like this. I remember it can break in the skin and refine the pores. It also has some anti-aging effects. I personally like it. I feel it kind of does refine my pores a little bit. This water, it absorbs quickly as well after applying. Do not forget your neck. Next, I will use Estee Lauder Perfectionist Pro Brightening BC Cream. The cream looks like this. I use this cream for anti-aging purpose since it contains vitamin C, and vitamin C is a good anti-aging ingredient that can prevent skin oxidation and stimulate skin cells to produce collagen. So if you have anti-aging needs, VC cream is a good option. It looks like this. Just apply evenly on the skin again. Do not forget the neck. It absorbs quickly as well. The serum is gentle, so it will not irritate your skin, so you can use it every day. I personally use it every morning. Next, I will apply some eye cream. For eye cream, I use Godali eye cream. I got this one probably a sample. I got some samples here and there, so I want to finish using them before buying new ones. This cream looks like this, and I use it every day. Just apply around the ear area gently. Then I will use some sunscreen to finish up. Sunscreen is most important step in the skincare, so do not leave out this step. It's super crucial for preventing aging. For sunscreen, I use Murad City Skin sunscreen. Looks like this. I stay with this one because it has high protection and it doesn't conflict with my foundation. This one, you need to shake it before using. And the cream looks like this. It does not have any brightening ingredients in the sunscreen, so it does not change your skin tone after applying it. use a little bit more. Oops. On the neck. I usually will wait for 2 minutes after applying to let it form the protective film. If I know I will stay inside for the whole day, I will stop here for my skincare. If I'm going out, I will do some makeup after the sunscreen. In general, what I have learned from my past experience about skincare is if you are below 25 years old, basically moisturizing and sunscreen are more than enough for your age. If you are above 25, I recommend adding some anti-aging products on top of moisturizer and sunscreen products if you have anti-aging needs. Okay, that's all for today's video. I hope this skincare routine and the products I have shared were helpful to you. If you like this video, please subscribe and give us a thumb up. I will see you in the next one. Bye!